discuss about design thinking scenario and how our subject can be incorporated in design thinking. The subject which I am handling for you is Java, which comes under OOPS concept. So we have taken, for this one, we have taken a scenario called as Smart Hospital Management System. So if you take hospital, you know the current scenario what is happening in each and every hospital, and particularly in our city. So the problem which we are facing is sitting at home, we can't book an appointment. That is the major problem. We have to step into the hospital and we have to meet the receptionist and we have to show the file first. And if the data bill is not there, it will take around 20 minutes to register our database. We have to give our address, phone number, name, what is the problem which we are facing, and which doctor to consult. So these things are manual still in every hospital in our city. So time is probably waste there. Getting appointment priorly is an advanced stage, but that is not happening. That is the real scenario, real problem which we are facing nowadays. And that is one problem, and the next one is even collecting the database is one problem, and storing it is another problem. The nurse or the receptionist who is collecting our database, they should not miss our data. Storage is another problem. So likewise, doctor should be available on that day. If we are stepping into the hospital and if the doctor is not available, that is also a waste of time. So these things are still kept in manual. We are just going to discuss this, how Java can be helped to design this particular digital kind of thing, specifically for hospital management purpose. So the solution which we are going to discuss today, shall we see one by one? Yes. Okay.
Okay. We have studied the problems faced by patients in hospitals. We might have also faced these problems in our day-to-day life. The most major common problems include long waiting hours. Each patient must wait for long hours. This may also affect their day-to-day activities, and a lack of appointments and doctors. This is also a major problem by the hospital staffs. They are also facing this problem in their lives. So this inspired us to create this hospital management system.
Okay, when it comes to defining the problem, we define this problem as even today, most of the hospitals, the online appointment booking system is not there. It is manual and inefficient. So our goal is to build a system that provides online appointment booking system, real-time doctor availability, and digitalize the patient records, and also to give the staffs an easy management system. That's okay.
To this we have to combine this concept with the OOPS concepts. And the OOPS concepts, we also know that encapsulations, abstractions, and inheritance and polymorphisms. And coming to the abstractions, it is like the storing of personal data. So schedule logic pages and some patient's credentials are safely they are securing. And in the cases of inheritance, doctors and patients are inherent from the person. In coming to the polymorphism, different types of appointments are handled differently. And the case of last, and it is, well, encapsulation is used for protecting the patient's data.
So I'm going to explain about the prototype here. So this system module includes patient registration, appointment booking, appointment register, and doctor search. So for instance, if we have a book appointment method, it checks the doctor availability and confirms the appointment here. So this project has three structure: model layer, service layer, and control layer. So this layered structure, what it helps in performance and makes the system easy, and also it helps in code reusable.
Okay. Yes. After implementation, we tested that patient login and registration and appointment booking system and doctor availability updates. So this system is useful to avoid waiting time and improving the hospital management. So this case study helps us. From this case study we. So yes, after implementation we tested the patient login and registration and appointment booking system and doctor availability updates. So this system may be useful to avoid a waiting time and improving the hospital management. So from this scenario helps this scenario we can say that how design thinking is combined with Java and OOPS can solve the healthcare management problem efficiently. In my real life also I faced this trouble difficulty to get an appointment. So to avoid that this may be useful.
So thank you all for giving you a wonderful solution to create what the real thing we are facing in our daily life if we go to hospital. Yes. So the main solution for this is we can create a digitalized hospital management system with the help of OOPS. Okay. Thank you. So in the next video we will get one interesting scenario as today. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.